Well, as you can see behind me, we've had quite a bit of vegetative growth because of the above normal rainfall that we've had this year across most of Oklahoma. In fact, I just checked last night, 4 of our 9 climatological districts were within the top 5 of their wettest growing season rainfall since 1921. So this has led to a lot of growth of vegetation, which will then serve as fuel later when this dies off for our upcoming wildfire season. Yeah, to help prepare for the upcoming wildfire season, as well as those who work with prescribed fire, we're going to offer a series of 4 workshops this fall on the OK Fire system, which is our weather-based decision support system for wildland fire managers. We have people that work with wildfires as well as prescribed fires that are welcome to come to these workshops. And they will offer 6 hours of training with an hour break for lunch. They are free. You have to register, however, and you can do that on the OK Fire website, or there's a link on the SunUp site as well. So OK Fire is our weather-based decision support system. It's a program of the Oklahoma Mesonet. It's been operational since 2006. It uses the Oklahoma Mesonet to assess recent and current fire weather conditions and fire danger, and then uses an 84-hour forecast to predict the next 3 days of fire danger. So this is useful especially for those who deal with wildfire to anticipate fire danger in the upcoming 3 days. It's also useful for those who are currently working fires, suppressing fires, but it's also useful for those who do prescribed burning. It allows them to look ahead into the future and see possible windows that they could use for their prescribed burn.